Here is how to change the password of your Gmail account. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open Gmail and ensure you're signed in with your Google account. Then the next step is to switch to the account whose password you'll want to change. So if it isn't this one, just click on the icon on the top right and then switch to that account. Once you've done this, again click on your icon on the top right and click on Manage your Google account. Then you'll reach this page, and over here you have to select the third option called Google Password. So click on this. You'll first have to verify yourself, so either through a passkey or by entering your old password. And once that is done, you'll reach this page to change your password. So all you have to do is enter your new password twice. I'll quickly do that now. And then click on this option, Change Password. So here they've said that after changing your password, you'll remain signed in on these devices and you'll be logged out from all the others. So just click on Change Password. And as you can see, the password has been changed. So from now on, if you want to log into this Gmail account, you can use your new password. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.